Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access TextNow from outside the US or Canada. As you probably know, TextNow isn't available everywhere in the world. It's currently available only in the US and Canada. If you are outside the US or Canada and want to use TextNow, you'll need to use a VPN to make it appear as if you are in a supported location. A VPN hides your real IP address and makes it appear as if you're browsing from another location. So, if you connect to a VPN server in the US, for example, every website or app you use will think you're in that country because you'll be using an American IP address. If you don't have a VPN yet, I suggest watching my video on the best VPNs for 2025. A link is showing in the top right corner of this video. If you don't have time to watch another video, here is a quick summary. In my opinion, the best VPN for TextNow is ExpressVPN. I really like ExpressVPN because they have servers all over the world, and it's very effective for accessing TextNow from anywhere. To try it out, visit vpn-club.com/express or click the link below this video. With this link, you'll get a 61% discount and 4 months free. ExpressVPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee, which means you can sign up, use the service for several weeks with no limits, and then request a refund. If ExpressVPN isn't right for you, for any reason, you can go with NordVPN instead. I also really like NordVPN because it has a large number of servers worldwide, and it's also very effective for accessing TextNow from anywhere. To try it out, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click the link below this video. With this link, you'll get a 70% discount and 1 GB of free eSIM data. Use the code VCLUB to get an extra 3 months. Just like ExpressVPN, NordVPN offers a 30-day trial with a money-back guarantee, so don't hesitate to give it a try. So, how can you access TextNow from outside the US or Canada? If you are in a location where TextNow is not available, all you need to do is launch your VPN and connect to a server in a country where it is available, like the US or Canada. Let's connect to a VPN server in the US. I click on the US, then here, it's connecting. It only takes a few seconds and done. I'm now virtually connected to the internet from the US. My real IP address has been replaced by the VPN's IP address, which is based in the US. As you can see here, my IP address now shows I'm in the US. Now, simply open the TextNow app. You should be able to use it as if you are in the US or Canada. And that's it. That's how you can unblock TextNow from anywhere. ExpressVPN will bring you many other benefits, such as browsing and downloading privately, improving the security of your internet connection, accessing more content, avoiding speed limitations, bypassing censorship, saving money, and much more. Don't bother with free VPNs. They often come with slow speeds, limited server options, annoying ads, and questionable privacy policies. In some cases, they may even log and sell your data. It's better to take advantage of the trial offered by ExpressVPN and NordVPN. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know how to unblock TextNow from anywhere. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button. Thanks, and see you next time.